In this video, we're going to look at some of the recent updates to VS Code. There were several great improvements. If you want to learn more about VS Code, check out my VS Code course at vscodehero.com. The link is in the description below. And I also have a VS Code cheat sheet that you can download for free. The link is also in the description. It has keyboard shortcuts, my favorite extensions, themes, fonts, and icon packs. If you find this video helpful, like and subscribe. You can now preview themes before installing them. Just open the color themes by pressing Ctrl-K, Ctrl-T, or from the bottom menu and select Browse Additional Color Themes. You'll get a preview of the theme as you navigate through them. And when you hit Enter to select a theme, it's going to automatically install the theme for you. Quick plug here, check out my CodeStacker VS Code theme. When you have multiple hover providers for suggestions, the hover will now show up as soon as one of the providers returns a result, and then add any additional results when they return. Previously, the hover could take a while because it would wait for all of them to return before rendering. VS Code now comes with TypeScript 4.5. And JSX attribute completions are improved. VS Code now automatically inserts the attribute value, and you can choose to have the default value use braces, quotes, or none. Those were the things that stood out for me in this release. There were lots of other minor improvements that you can read about in the official release notes linked in the description. VS Code is continually improving. Let me know what your favorite feature is. That's going to be it for this video. Like this video to help me out, and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.